Who's ready for melty cheese, golden tortillas, and pure flavor-packed bliss? In this easy quesadilla recipe, we'll prove that you don't need hours in the kitchen to wow your taste buds. This simple yet tasty snack is perfect for busy foodies or anyone craving a little culinary adventure. All it takes are a few everyday ingredients to make quesadilla magic. Grab some tortillas, shredded cheese, lots of it, and your favorite mix-ins, grilled chicken, veggies, or even beans. Bonus points for keeping salsa, guac, or sour cream nearby for dipping delight. Start by heating a pan over medium heat. No oil needed. Place a tortilla down, sprinkle a heaping layer of cheese, and add your favorite fillings. Fold the tortilla in half, press lightly, and cook until golden brown and crispy on both sides. It's quick and ridiculously satisfying. Feeling fancy? Add a handful of sautéed onions, bell peppers or jalapenos for extra pizzazz. Love meat? Shred up leftover chicken or steak. Veggie fanatic? Toss in some spinach or black beans. This is your quesadilla kingdom. Rule it with bold flavors. Slice your masterpiece into wedges and serve with a side of tangy salsa or creamy guacamole. Now, here's your challenge. Try not to eat them all in one sitting. We dare you. They're that good, crispy, cheesy, and packed with flavor in every bite. Ready to try it out? Hit the like button, subscribe for more simple yet mouth-watering recipes, and share your quesadilla creations with us in the comments below. Grab your tortillas and let's get cooking, because tasty doesn't have to be complicated. See you next time, foodies.